Pi attendance, QR codes, and iOS custom icons.
In the past few weeks, Jonathan talked about signing in for a meeting with a QR code.
Right.
I have no clue. I have downloaded I think I just signed in for my iPhone. I'm not sure because I filled out the format.
Yes, you did, Diana.
Okay, but I do not have a clue how to sign in with the special QR code. Do I need to download the QR code?
I wish everybody on their devices would create an icon that did it automatically. That's all you need to do.
On your mobile desktop, you can save a
We'll have
copy
to, we'll
of
have to post
this
that.
link.
We'll have to post that.
If you do that, you can forget about the QR code, use this method instead.
Well, that's what I did, but my question is, the QR code, it only brings this up?
Yes,
Oh,
that's for people who haven't saved it to their desktop.
okay.
It's not something additional you need to do. It's an alternate way to get there.
Yeah.
Okay, so the question then is, how do I if I wanted to put this QR code on my devices?
Okay, let me show you again. We're gonna have to post this on our groups thing, but you click on the little box with the arrow. I'm taking this website.
One little box with the arrow. Yeah, where are you?
Everybody knows the box with the arrow means send it somewhere, send this somewhere.
That's called the share icon.
But I'm doing
Box
this
with the
here
arrow.
from what?
Well, wait, okay, just
Start from the beginning.
go to a website. Go to the. You have to be at the registration.
You mean at Washington, go to
Okay, I'll go back to it. I'll show you. See, here's my icon. I click on my icon. You want to go to where you attendance form.
Wait, slower.
Go back, you went too fast.
Well, you have to go there. I used an icon. She doesn't have the icon. We're explaining. I don't know what the website is. Jonathan?
No, I have the icon for signing in.
Oh, okay.
So I'm hunting for it.
Well, then you don't, that's all you need to use.
No, but help me with QR codes.
Oh, don't bother with it. Why?
I hear you.
Oh,
But how would I read the QR code that Jonathan?
with your camera. But,
Thank you.
yeah. Your camera will find the QR code and it will say, do you want to go where the QR code?
Diana, as a general matter, if you open up your camera on your phone
Yes.
and you point it at a QR code,
Yes.
the camera in the newer operating system will recognize it and open it in Safari, whatever the QR code.
But if you do it on your phone, you don't need to do it on your phone because you can't bring up a QR code and look at it with your camera because you're on your phone.
You mean, so currently, if I go to a QR code
Yes.
with a box of cereal,
Yes, use your camera.
I don't need to use red laser that I used to use.
No.
It would read.
The camera, I wish I had a QR code. Anybody got a QR code? Just use your camera and it just calls up a message.
It says, do you want to go to the website?
Yeah, you want to go to the website.
If you're going to be looking at multiple QR codes, there's really a much faster way. You put the QR code read. A faster way of using QR codes from your iPhone is to put the QR code reader in your control panel. The control panel, you scroll down.
The one you pull down?
The one you pull down. Now,
Right.
it's not in there by default. You have to go to the setting to add a new feature.
Settings, then control panel, and then.
Settings, control, okay, go to settings, then, are you on a phone or a? Okay.
Slide up to control panel.
Go to control panel. Control center or make?
It's control center.
Control center.
I think, yeah.
Control center.
Control center, customize controls on the right. Go down to QR code reader and click on the plus sign.
There you go.
Now scroll up and you'll see that it has
There
been
it is.
added. And now the QR is the
It's right in the
lower
bottom
right,
right corner.
the square with a QR code in the middle of it.
Right there.
And
There it is.
If you go to this QR code from your control center, now it saves a step. If you use the
Yes.
camera, I do some volunteer work where I use QR codes all the time.
This one,
And people aim the camera, the iPhone, at the QR code and then press the shutter. And I say, you're just taking a picture of the QR code. You have to go to the little message at the top of the screen that says, "Oh, open this QR code in Safari."
Yeah.
If you use the
Yes.
QR code from the control center, it does it all automatically.
Alan, that's a great, yeah.
If you decide I'm not interested in this, you can cancel out of it, and it automatically will allow you to scan a new QR code. It's much, much
You
faster.
need to finish showing Diane how to save the icon to her desktop. You didn't do
Well,
that.
she has the icon. Does anybody else need to know how
You have
to
the
create the icon?
Jonathan, 2 or 3
Yeah,
years
so-
ago,
Okay.
put it
Never
on.
mind.
I'd like to know.
You'd like to know how to do it.
There's always somebody who needs some.
Okay, I'm going to use this one because this is relevant to George Mason. This is an event I'm going to promote. This is Off the Wall, coming up February 22nd. It's a tech thing where they're going to show computer graphics things and tech things. And it's $30 a person, and it includes a lot of beer, food, wine, distilleries, and a lot of George Mason students. Big event. But say I want to create an icon for it. I click on the little box,
You had me at beer.
the little box with the arrow, which is the
Share code.
code.
Yeah.
Yeah, that box with the
It means you've
up
got
pointer
something
was
you
the
want to
share
bring something.
icon.
Okay, so it shows me a bunch of stuff here. Now I'm going to scroll over here and find it again. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Let's see, add bookmark.
No, it's add
The
to
home
home.
screen.
Oh, add to home screen. Oh, there we go.
It's right up top.
You went to that really fast.
Add
I moved it at the top.
home
It's at the
screen
top of the
right
screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, you got to scroll up to it. There we go. So you add to home screen. You touch that. Shows it. If you want to,
there. And then you have to click add. One
Well,
more
before
thing.
you do add,
You can change the name
You
of
can
it
alter
to be
it, you
something
can
you
edit it.
recognize.
Yeah.
see, I'm going to shorten it to just
GM.
off the wall.
And then click add.
Then
that
click
to do
add.
it.
And there it is.
That,
That little icon
where-
at the bottom of the
Bottom
screen.
row on the right.
Last icon.
Right here. And if you don't want it on that screen, you can move it to a different one, just like,
Right. So if I want to go there, I just click on it.
yeah. Or if you want to move it to one of your other screens, press and hold till you get the jiggling icons and then drag it to a different screen.
Well, you don't get the jiggling icons any longer. You
Well-
now get edit home screen.
All right.
Well, then they
Okay,
jiggle.
I'm old
Then they
school.
jiggle.
You're right. If you got the latest.
What?
then.
After you hit edit home screen, then they jiggle.
Yes, edit home screen. And then it takes a while for the one you selected to actually come up with ads. But then you can move it around.
And then you can click and drag it to where you want it, including on a different screen if you want it on
And
another.
if you're on a new phone that uses facial recognition, you have to click done. If you have one that has a button, you just click the button and it restores everything.